All right. Welcome to another edition of Sabbath Lounge. This is Matt, just introducing you to this week's Torah portion. It is week 3 to go out. So you get this crossing over of Abram. Kind of a fascinating story. If you've never checked out his life, you should definitely check that out. So he is called from the land of Ur. Basically, he's called out of, you guessed it, Babylon. So he's called to leave his homeland, leave. He was definitely, if you look at the other extra biblical resources, he definitely was under the influence of his father, who was an idol maker, idol worshiper. And so he was called to leave a pagan lifestyle. Kind of sounds familiar, doesn't it? So this is his journey to the land. You can find a lot of information about that, but it's just kind of interesting thinking about where the Earl of Ur of Chaldees was, and kind of modern day Iraq possibly. And so that's an overlay of the modern land. So this is a timeline that shows you Sarah and Abram and kind of how they mesh in together. A lot of people believe that, Abram's life overlapped with other folks here, and he had been around possibly Shem, who taught him the ways of Yahuwah and taught him Torah. So here is another, just zoomed in, different pieces of biblical history. You can find this timeline pretty easy on other resources. Right here is a link, Interactive Timeline, and that's the name of it. So once again, the crossing over to go out, the call of Abram. Check out more content on sabbathlounge.com.